what's up guys? How's it going? I wasn't really planning on doing a video tonight, but we got an unboxing. That'll be at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. And I wanted to show you guys this weld. I practiced doing some welding on the oil pan pieces, and let's check it out. Okay, I'm gonna record this just in case it ends up working out well. So what I have here is 2 pieces of oil pan. So I prepped both pieces. I torched them both till they were very hot and boiled a bunch of garbage off. Flap disc cleaned them completely around. I used Scotch-Brite pad, stainless brush, a towel, and acetone to clean all of the sides. So I scored it up with a brush, the stainless brush, got acetone on the Scotch-Brite pad, wiped those, and then I used acetone on the towel, wiped it again because the Scotch-Brite pad still broke up and cleaned up a lot of stuff. So I did that to both of these surfaces. No idea how this is gonna go. I cleaned up my tungsten so it's nice and fresh. I still have the number 6 cup on it. This is just one of the cups that came with the kit, the biggest one, so that's what I'm using. I did order some gas lenses, so with a whole bunch of different sizes, so we'll go over that in a different part of the video or a different video. I just wanted to record this. I have no idea how this is going to go because these are actually chunks of the oil pan. So this is basically what I'm going to be doing, so this is a practice piece. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so just manually set up the machine. That's interesting, so hopefully these settings work. If it does, I will be very, very proud. Because that means I learned something. I learned Samson. I think I'm going to try to do a tack first without any filler. See if we can get that. We got a tack, but I can tell it's still very dirty because there's a lot of peppering and a bunch of junk in there. So I'm really gonna have to clean these oil pans really nice in order for this to work. So try to push the tungsten in a little bit and get more gas on it. Oop. Too much. But I don't think that was the issue. I think it's more so how dirty the oil pans are. Try this and see if it helps at all. We'll try to tack the other side just so it don't warp. That tack was not successful. These are very dirty pieces. I thought they were clean, they are very dirty. I'm trying to turn the gas up a little bit. That seemed like it helped a little bit. Let's try to run this bead and see how this goes. It's a little bit better with more gas flow. Arcing. Ain't even starting my shit, guys. What's going on here? There's not enough contact with the shiz. Alrighty, woohoo! That don't look so bad. That does not look very bad. So there it was. Oh, that's hot. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Oh boy. I can deal with that on an oil pan. I'll tell you what. I can deal with that. I'm excited about that one. All right, now that we got the welding out of the way, let's get the welding boxes out of the way. All right, let's do an unboxing. We love unboxings because that means that I'm getting new stuff, right? So let's do this. I have no idea what any of this stuff is. It just came randomly. No idea how. So this is... Oh, it appears to be a... It appears to be a T56 bell housing. Oh, man, I gotta eat some frickin' Wheaties. Anybody want to send me some Wheaties? Alright. Whew. So we have the T56 bell housing. This is kind of cool. I thought this was actually going to be longer than this, so that's good, because I'm kind of concerned about length with this thing and how far the engine's going to stick out. So we got that thing. There it is. And this one will be a little bit less exciting or more exciting. Don't use your keys to... Oh, there it went off. I accidentally hit the panic button. This is a Ford key fob for my Ranger. This thing sucks because I always hit the panic button. It'll be in my pocket and I'm like brushing my teeth and the frickin' alarm goes off. It's very sensitive. Alright, what do we got? What do we got? A box in a box. You guys know that's my favorite. There we go, rip it. You gotta rip it after they ship it. So this is the flywheel that I'm gonna be using. It's about this big, it's got a bunch of teeth on it. It shines in the mirror. Pretty cool. This thing's kinda nice. Boxes inside boxes. What is this? It's a thing. You got an alignment tool, another thing, pilot bushing, boink, chuck it in there. And this is the pressure plate. This is the Clutch Max kit. I have no idea if these are even any good. If you guys have used them and you know or don't know, let me know. Preferably if you don't know. Usually the people that don't know and have never used them are usually have the best advice. So if you guys are out there, you know what to do. So here's the clutch. And like I said, I might not use this one. I don't know, maybe I will. But yeah, this is a complete kit. That's why I said in the previous video, I think I might have messed up when I actually bought the Collins kit with the clutch, because the kit that I ended up buying came with a clutch, comparable in price, so I have an extra clutch, but I would have saved like 200 bucks when I bought the Collins kit. So I guess now I have a spare and I can feel free to drive like a slob. You know what I'm saying? So I forget what this thing is rated for. Let me use my brain here and tell you. So it's a stage 4 Clutch Max clutch, and torque capacity 645 foot-pounds and 600 horsepower. So that's what that thing says it's rated for. So if it's true, it should be good for what I need for quite a long while, actually. So that's it for this one, guys. If you guys like this video and you're excited for the build, be sure to subscribe if you're not already, and leave a comment. Tell me you're excited. If you don't like the video, be sure to share the video with one of your best friends, and you guys can sit and point and laugh and eat popcorn together and do whatever you guys do. So either way, works out for me. Have fun. See you next time. Oh, and I just wanted to add, I'm going to be picking up the transmission tomorrow. It's supposed to be delivered tomorrow to the freight center. So that's my tomorrow and your like right now. So by the time you guys are seeing this video, I should probably have the possession in my transmission. Transmission in my possession.